Good morning, children. This is our SST period. So, children, in our previous classes, we have learned what is longitude, what is latitude, and why these longitude and latitudes are important to us. Yes, and the children, you can see on the screen, this is a picture of globe and this is the picture of map. This globe and this map, these two, globe and maps, are important to us. Why? Because they represent our earth. They represent our earth, yes, and they help us to locate different places or different things on the earth. Yes, and children, these lines which you can see drawn on the map and globe both is very important. Why? Because these are known as latitudes and longitudes. They help us to know about the places and they help us to know time also. So children, you can see here these vertical lines. You can see here these vertical lines starting from the North Pole and ending at South Pole. These vertical lines are what? Longitudes. These vertical lines are what? Longitudes. And the other name for longitudes are meridian. Yes, children. Now, can you see this broken line? What is this broken line? Actually, this is a meridian. This is a equator. This is equator which lies at 0 degree on the earth. It starts from east direction and moves towards west direction. Yes, and all these horizontal lines, which you can see on the map and globe both, they are latitudes. They are latitudes and responsible for telling us distance. Yes, and the line which is straight standing on the map and globe both, they are longitudes. Yes, children. And this the dark black line which is known as longitude. The other name for this longitude is prime meridian. Why? Because prime meridian is a very important meridian as it divides earth into two equal halves, that is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, and it tells time also. It plays very important role in determining time also. Yes, and again the equator is a very important latitude. Why? Because it divides earth into two equal parts, that is in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and these two longitudes and latitudes make grid, as you can see on globe and map both. Can you see the square boxes made by longitudes and latitudes? These boxes help us to locate the places on the earth. Now we will see how. Now children, see how to locate India on the globe. Now we will see how to locate India on the globe. So children, what is this? This is a picture of globe, and what you can see in this yellow part, this yellow part is India, and we are going to locate India on the globe. Children, always remember, for locating any place you should be familiar with its longitudes and latitudes, because after knowing its latitudes and longitudes only you can locate that place. Yes, so let's see what are the longitudes and latitudes of India. Now India is on 6.44 degree north and 35.30 north latitude. India lies on 6.44 north and 35.30 north latitude. That means it is above equator in northern hemisphere, children. Children, what is this? This red line is what, children? This is equator. This is equator. Is it clear? And northern hemisphere means when we move towards North Pole. Yes, that means the area between North Pole and equator is a northern hemisphere. Yes, now let's see what are the longitudes. 68.7 east and 97 0.25 east longitude. That means it is an eastern hemisphere. And children, remember, we always start numbering longitudes and latitudes from 0 degree. Equator lies at 0 degree, and here, can you see children this line? This red line which I am drawing it? Which longitude is this? This is prime meridian. This is prime meridian which lies at 0 degree, and we start counting longitudes from prime meridian. And the part which is visible to us, that means this area from here to here, this complete area is eastern hemisphere, which is visible to us. This complete area is eastern hemisphere, and above equator this is northern hemisphere, and India lies in eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Now let's make it more clear. Now children, see, what is this? This is globe, and on globe you can see these white lines. What are these white lines, children? Horizontal and vertical. Can you see these horizontal and vertical lines? These horizontal and vertical lines are latitudes and longitudes. And same time, children, you can see these small boxes. What are these small boxes? These small boxes are grid. These small boxes are grid which is made by latitudes and longitudes, and these grids help us to locate place. Yes children, now let's see how. Now children, come to latitude of India again. Now 6.44 north, we will see above equator, and this line is what children? Equator. This line is what children? Equator. Sorry. Oh, let me erase it children. Yes. Now, so this line, this yellow line where I am drawing red line, this is what? Equator, which lies at 0 degree. It is telling 6.44 north. That means we will move towards North Pole. So children, this is equator at 0 degree, and then 10 degree at north. 6.44 means children somewhere here. Somewhere here. This line which I am drawing is 6.44. Sorry, it is straight. Yes, this line. This is 6.44 north latitude. Yes children, after this what is there? 35.30 north. Now this is 10 degree, this is 20 degree, this is 30 degree, and this is 40 degree. So 35.30 must be here children. So I'm drawing one line here. So this is what children? This is 35.30 north latitude. Now this is clear. Now let's come to longitudes. 68.7, and children, we always start from 0 degree. Yes, and here we are talking about longitudes, that means meridians. Now children, see this line. Can you see children this line which I am drawing here? This is what? This is prime meridian. This is prime meridian that lies at 0 degree. We start counting towards east side, that in eastern hemisphere. Yes, because it is telling 68.7. So children, this is 10, 20, 30, this must be 40, and this is 50, and this is 70. So 60 must be here. Yes children, but it is telling 68, 60 must be here children, here in this line. Now it is telling 68.7, so it must be lying here before 70 degree east. So children, I'll be making line here. This is what? 68.7 degree east. Is it clear children? Now see what is the next. Next is 97.25 east. Now this is 70, this must be 80, this is 80, and here is 90, and here is 110. So 100 must be this. Yes, but it is telling 97.25. So children, it must be somewhere here. Yes. So this is what, children? This line is what? This line is 97.25 east longitude. Is it clear, children? So you can see here this grid. This grid. India lies in this grid, in this box only. Yes, children. So this is how we locate place on the globe or map. Is it clear? This is all for today's class, children. Thank you. Stay blessed.